Right, good afternoon everyone. Now, I'm just going to share with you how I've made this one. And they're both the same. That's made out of satin and that's made out of grosgrain. Just get some little things for your centres. I've just got some sticky back pearl and some bits and pieces. I've also got some flowery bits that you can put in. Let me just have a look in my dish. See, you can use like little flowers, roses or whatever. Oops. I don't tend to use anything too, I don't like that one. Don't tend to use anything too big. But anything you've got that's flat, or you can just use a normal pearl, which is fine. You don't have to use anything flat. So what you're going to need is a needle and thread. I've doubled the thread. You're going to need 2-inch strips. So I've just got my tape ruler here. I'm just going to cut mine at 2-inch. And you need 5. Now, it doesn't matter what the thickness is. Now you're going to take these, and what you do is you fold them in half and you round the edges. So you make that, and then you just seal that off. So do that with them all. Round it off on the ends, that's all you're doing. And you need, I'd use a long needle, it's really quick, but on the flat edge, you just need to do a tacking stitch on your first one. And then do a running stitch. Okay, and then all you do is do it on each and every following petal. Take the needle, pop it back where you started, pull. So you put that between your middle finger and your thumb and pull it, and then you just do a tacking stitch. Trim. Oops. But what you do is you must pull them like that, and they fall under each other, so it's like a little flower, and ease them around. You could do a 3, a 4 and a 5. You can even do a 6. And then what I generally do, just on the bit where it was stitched, I just put a little bit of glue right on the edge like that. And they're cute, aren't they? And then you a little bit of glue around the centre. And I'm just going to put this one in for now. Aren't they nice and pretty? Like that. There we go. Really nice. And you can do all different ones, but they're really quick to make. So yeah, I'm going to do another one. Right, and then we just move it about. Now that's not quite as rounded as I want it. That's it, done. And that one as well. It's organza, so you do have to be careful. There. You can just shape these how you want with your flame. Right, so we've got that. Yeah? And then, like I say, all you need to do is to pop in the centre that you want. And they're really cute. So I will be making some of these for the shop. I might do like a selection of flowers. In different sizes and fabrics, so that you can buy them as a pack. Because I think they're really cute. And why not? Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Hope you enjoyed it. Please try it. Bye bye for now.